Welcome back, subscribers, and hello YouTube viewers. On this occasion we have a look at the butter factories in Victoria, Australia, but mainly back in the day. So we're looking at all the older images that I've been able to source out of the Victorian State Library and also some other locations, and that'll all be listed in the description below. So Victoria does have a rich history of butter factories, particularly in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, with several regions becoming major dairy producers. These factories played a crucial role in the state's agricultural economy and development, with some still operating today or repurposed for other uses. Victoria's dairy industry expanded significantly in the late 1800s with the establishment of numerous butter factories and creameries, particularly in the northeast and western regions of the state. Towns like Wodonga, Euroa, Thoona, Warrnambool and Cobden were prominent dairy and butter production areas. Factories like the Warrnambool Cheese and Butter Factory Company were early adapters of new technologies and played a vital role in the state's dairy industries. Some factories, such as Thoona Butter Factory, were established as co-op ventures, reflecting the importance of community involvement in the dairy industry. Many former butter factories have been repurposed for other uses, such as furniture making, antique centres, community hubs or reception centres. Some butter factories, like the former Avon Butter Factory, are recognised for their architectural style and design, reflecting the building's importance within the community. Dairy production continues to be a significant part of Victoria's economy, with companies like Forterra investing in modernising and expanding existing facilities. So that's basically about it with the brief history on butter factories within Victoria, Australia. Please enjoy the remaining historical footage and images. So here we are nearing the end of this historic look at some of the butter factories within Victoria. If you did like the video, by all means click on the like button or that thumbs up icon. Please consider subscribing. Subscribing doesn't cost you 1 cent, but it really does help the channel immensely. But most importantly, stay safe, commute safe, and have a great day.
Thank you.